For what?
According to scientists, oil and gas reserve will be exhausted by 2050, and coal reserve will only last another 200 years. These energy sources are essential for transport and electricity. As they become scarcer, prices rise sharply. At the same time, demand is skyrocketing, thanks, among other things, to new energy uses and the booming economies of China and India. What's more, individual countries are keen to meet their own energy needs in today's market. Meanwhile, the concept of sustainable development has been gaining ground over the past decade, and that has an influence on policy and on the economy. There are two solutions to all these issues. One, to develop local production of clean renewable energies that are accessible to all. Two, to consume less and more effectively, while measuring the savings made. This is what is known as energy performance. It concerns everything that consumes energy, and therefore all of ETDE's activities. Let's start with the production of energy. As an expert in electrical networks, ETDE builds solar power plants and contributes to the construction of wind farms on behalf of renewable energy producers. By 2020, around 1/3 of Europe's electricity should be produced from renewable sources. Street lighting accounts for 1/3 of electricity cost in towns and cities. A number of local authorities are now upgrading their energy guzzling equipment. ETDE upgrades and maintains networks and monitors and manages electricity consumption on their long-term contracts. Let's take a look at buildings too. In Europe, they account for over 40% of energy consumption. Under the terms of France's Grenelle Environment Forum, we have to reduce the energy consumption of buildings by more than 1/3 within 10 years and use more renewable energies. Australia, ETDE's new headquarters, meets these objectives and is a pioneer for the low-energy consumption buildings of tomorrow. ETDE, a key player in the creation of these new structures, combine innovative thermal and electrical solutions with renewable energies. Even communication network infrastructures are being reinvented, not forgetting operation and maintenance. Taking these into account at an early stage makes it much easier to save energy in the future. In the long term, the energy performance of buildings also has to be managed. ETDE has developed Hypervision, an ultra-powerful measurement and analysis tools equipped with a comprehensive array of sensors and meters for reducing and predicting consumption based on various scenarios. This allows the best choices to be made in terms of installation and maintenance. The commitment to reduce energy consumption is now included in energy performance contracts. For example, for apartment buildings, in which ETDE maintains heating systems, manages consumption, and commits to energy savings, or like the first positive energy office buildings. And what about tomorrow? The latest solution for reducing energy consumptions involves super intelligent information systems, which use sensors to manage the production and consumption of energy, for example, across an entire city. The first solutions for storing energy produced locally represent another key breakthrough. These developments are the starts of intelligent electrical networks, or smart grids, designed to match energy supplies and demand. The future starts here.